In this video lecture, I will explain combination. So what is combination? When we find the number of ways to select r items from n items without repetition. So whenever we talk about selection, so we have n item and we want to select r from n. So NCR is the formula for combination, that is nothing but n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial. And here this is the formula. We can also represent it by C n comma r, and that is n factorial upon n minus r factorial into r factorial, and that is nothing but npr upon r factorial. So what was npr? Npr was n factorial upon n minus r factorial, and ncr is equal to npr upon r factorial. So we will get this formula only. So what is the basic difference between permutation and combination? Whenever we talk about arrangement or formation, we will go ahead with permutation, and whenever we talk about selection, then we will go ahead with combination. So permutation means arrangement or formation, combination means selection. Okay, so let's take example. The first example is, in how many ways 5 students can be chosen from 12 students? This is very simple. So here we have to choose 5 students from 12 students. So it is direct question. So we are going to select. So we have to choose 5 from 12. So it will be 12. It will be 12C5. Okay, 12C5, and then 12 factorial upon 5 factorial into 12 minus 5, that is 7 factorial. Okay, so this will be the answer. Now this question, second question, here what we have to do, the question is, it is compulsory to answer 20 questions in an examination, choosing at least 4 questions from each part A and part B, and if there are 6 questions in part A and 7 questions in part B, in how many ways can 10 questions be attempted? So total 10 questions has to be attempted. There are 2 parts, A and B. Each has first one has 6 and the second part has 7 questions, and there is a condition. Then from each part at least 4 questions we need to select. So how many ways 10 questions can be attempted? So here there will be total 3 cases. So let's discuss each case one by one. So let me write the condition here again. So there a student has to attempt 10 questions in total. Okay, and then we have part A and part B. Okay, part A has total 6 questions and part B has 7 questions. Okay, and the condition is 4 from each student has to select at least 4 from each part. Okay, so now if I have 2 parts A and B, so case 1 is what? Suppose first part, okay, case 1 is 4 questions from part A. If students select 4 questions from part A and total 10 has to be attempted, so remaining 6 he has to select from part B only. Okay, so now 4 from part A, 6 from part B. So A has 6 question, so from 6 he is choosing 4, so that is 6C4. Okay, and then from part B he is choosing 6 questions, so part B has total 7, so from 7 he is choosing 6, so 7C6. So 6C4 is nothing but 6 factorial upon 4 factorial into 6 minus 4, that is 2 factorial, and this will be 7 factorial upon 6 factorial into 7 minus 6, 1 factorial. Okay, and he has to select both, so we are going to apply product rule. So first it comes 15, second one after calculation it comes 7, so 15 into 7, so 105 ways to answer 10 questions. Okay, now case 2 is what? If suppose students select 5 questions from part A and 5 questions from part B. So part A has 7, part A has 6, okay, part B has 7. Student is selecting from 6, he is selecting 5, and here from 7. So if first he has selected 5, total 10 has to be answered, so remaining 5 he has to select from part B. So 6C5 and 7C5, and since both has to be selected, so 6 into 21, this will be the answer. And then case 3 is what? The case 3 where student has part A and B A has 6, B has 7. He selects 6 questions from part A. And so 6 from 6, all 6 he's selecting from part A only. So 6C, 6, and remaining 4, total 10 has to be answered. So remaining 4 he has to select from part B. So that is 7C4. So 6C6 is nothing but 1. 7C4 is 35 and both has to be selected. So this will be the answer. And then the required number of ways will be what? 105, the first way. So either this one or this one will be selected. So then we are going to apply sum rule. So it will be 105 plus 126 plus 35. So this will be the answer. So that's how we do the selection problem. Hope you have understood the concept of combination. Thank you for watching.